Hello everyone. Is your Google Drive storage full? Well, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue by freeing up space or upgrading your storage plan. So, let's get started. The first step is to check your storage usage. To do so, first log into your Google Drive account by going to your browser and type in drive.google.com in the search bar. If you're not already logged in into your Google account, just use your Google account credentials to do so. And once you access Google Drive, in the bottom left corner, you'll see how much storage you're using. Click on it to see a detailed breakdown of what's taking up space. The second step is to delete large files. To free up space, let's start by sorting your files by size. In Google Drive, click on the Storage tab. Here, you can see your files from the largest to the smallest. Select Large Unnecessary Files and click Remove. And now the third step is to clear trash and unused backups. Once you've deleted files, don't forget to empty the trash can. You can also check for backups in the backup section. If there are old ones you no longer need, delete them too. The fourth step is to free space from Google Photos and Gmail. Remember, your Google Photos and Gmail also use storage. Go to Google Photos and delete unnecessary photos, and in Gmail, delete large email attachments. If you still need more space, you can upgrade your plan by clicking the storage icon and choosing to buy storage. And that's it for today. I hope this helps you manage your Google Drive space more effectively. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tips and don't forget to leave a like or a comment under the video. See you in the next tutorial.